So, I wanted to talk about some things you should keep in mind during the exam. In the last year's question paper, we came across some wrong questions. I don't think it will happen this time around. In case you come across a question and you feel that it is wrong or the options are not right, then immediately leave the question and come back to it only after completing all other questions. I personally feel that the exam will mostly consist of simple questions and about 10 to 20% of tougher questions. In case you come across a tough question and you feel it is taking up a lot of time to solve, leave it and come back to it after completing the remaining ones. Remember that whether the question is hard or easy, the marks it carries is +3 and -1. Even if you solve a tough question, no one is going to see that. The machine will give it a +3, while another candidate would have solved 3 simple questions by that time and got a +9. The time is 2 hours and the number of questions is 100. Many people have asked me whether the questions will be as tough as CAT. Usual IIM CAT exam, the duration is for 3 hours and the number of questions is 100. MJNF is only for 2 hours, so it is very likely that the questions won't be of CAT level. There is a chance of some tough questions, but overall the paper will be much more easier than CAT. Now about the section-wise cutoff, I have not seen any such mention in the IIM website, so I don't think there is a section-wise cutoff. Now what will be considered as a good attempt? This is not an easy question to answer. We don't exactly know the following factors. Number 1, the difficulty level of the exam. Number 2, number of candidates who will appear for the exam and their skill levels. Add to this, we don't have a sample size from the previous year. The number of seats and the number of candidates last year was substantially lower. Looking at the previous year questions alone, maybe 60 plus can be a good attempt, but don't go in with this mindset. Have a proper look at the question paper and judge it for yourself. Run through the paper, select simple questions and start solving them. Do not worry about things that you don't have any control on. This is the first page of MJNF question paper 2020. I'm sharing this so you are familiar with the last year's instructions. As given in red letters, these are all indicative. When you go for the exam, read all the instructions properly and understand them. Do not panic if there are any changes or even if the questions are a bit tougher. Remember one thing, if it's hard for you, it is hard for everybody. I hope you have prepared well. I wish you all the best. Don't worry about the outcome. All your dreams will come true. Thank you for all the wonderful emails you all send and your love through the comments. I know our journey is not over. Continue supporting my initiatives. Stay safe and see you again.